Hello everybody, this is Masuma Alam speaking. Today I'm going to talk about HTML code and how we use a text only sort of format, and here I'm using Text Wrangler and how it incorporates into a website. So first you begin with the tags. These are called tags, and the HTML tag. This is the head, and here's my title. So this title corresponds to the title up here. And remember, when you have a tag, you have to close the tag. So this is my head, and I close the tag. Now this is the body of my website. My heading 1, H1, and I closed it, is my name, and that is right here. Then P is for paragraph. Strong means like bold. And you can also use B, I believe. So I just wrote welcome to my website, hope you enjoy it. I close my tag, close my paragraph. Here it is, presented here. Then I made another paragraph and used EM, which is italics. And that shows here. So these are just words. Then I incorporated a link to a website, which was the Chicago Schools homepage website, and you use this tag here, ahref equals, as you can see here. And I close the tag, close the paragraph, and here it is. So if I click on that, I can even say open in a new tab, and it comes out here, and here is the website. So you can click that. Then I decided I wanted to add a quote from the website. So I used a block quote and I cited it. This is where I got the quote. And I made it in italics. So, and here is the quote that it is written here. And I don't know if you can see the full quote. I'll move this over a little bit. Sorry, excuse me. I just want to, yeah, there you go. So it's just basically talking about online programs and how it empowers students. Then I decided I wanted to put an image. So this is the code that I used. This is the image's URL, the name of it, alt, the width, the size of it, and close that. That's this one. Then I made another image. Here's a URL for that one. And I decided to make this one bigger. So I changed the size of it. This is the other image. Then I just made another paragraph and I made a break in between. This one doesn't need a close. Don't need to end this tag. So it just breaks the line where you could see here. Here is a short video about, and breaks, and then it goes to the next line. Then I wanted to make this is called an ordered list. So here's a list of like online benefits include, and that's here. 1, 2, 3, it has the numbers. And then I made an unordered list, which does not have the numbers, but rather just bullet points. And then I put a YouTube video in using this tag iframe, the width and the height, then the website URL, and frame border, which you can have a border around this, but I didn't put any border, I put 0, and you close your tag, and here's the YouTube video, which you can just play from here. Then the next thing I did was I made a table about just how many hours per week you would need for these classes that I'm taking right now. This is just rough estimate. And on top of that, I wanted to change the colors of the tables. So I used colors, this code right here, color group, color scan, and I put span 1, which means